What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews, and today I have a Bluetooth smartwatch by Willful. The model number for this smartwatch will be on the screen. It's the SW016 and you'll see the specs on the screen right now. So let's have a look what it looks like. Okay, that's the watch. Let's see what else we got in the box. Got the charger cable, micro USB charger cable. You got a screen protector. You got the instruction manual. Smart looking box. Let's have a look at the watch itself. Okay, it looks like it's got a screen protector already on there. Silicone straps. Just got a screen protector put on there. It's like a temporary one. They've given a new one as well with it, so you can do it properly. Okay, it's got a chrome metal aluminium finish, which looks quite nice, and the rest of the watch is black. You can see the strap here with a big clip like that, so it clips on quite easily actually. It feels quite nice, the watch. Alright, so let's turn it on, shall we? Okay, so you got speakers on the side. You got one button. So, and this must be where you can charge the device. Yeah, so you can charge it from there. So this device is effectively a mobile phone, a complete mobile phone, because you can put a SIM card in this device. So before I turn it on, I just want to open it and put my SIM card in. Yeah, so you can open it from here. One of these corners would just come off quite easily. There you go. So this part is not quite obvious to most people, that's why I'm showing you this. Here's a tiny battery. Isn't that tiny? Alright, so here's the SIM card slot, and you've got a MicroSD card slot. So you can put your music and stuff in there. So you have multiple uses. I'm going to put the SIM card in. So it goes in this way. Close it. Okay, I think that's seated properly. We'll find out when I turn the phone on. Okay, as you can see, the SIM card has recognized my SIM. My giffgaff SIM is there, it's working. So now I could dial out and I could phone what I want. So now this can be used as a standalone phone if you wanted. You can connect via Bluetooth to your iPhone or even your Android phone, and basically all calls that come through on your phone will come through. So all phone calls you get on your phone will automatically come through on your watch as well, and you can wear it and you can decide what ringtone you want. So you can also answer the phone call on the watch, which is quite amazing. So when you first turn the watch on, when it goes into standby like this, you have different watch faces. So if you press that, it will change. So you could just choose the one you like. I think you have 2 or 3 different ones. That's the one I like. Okay, and if you want to access the settings, you just swipe like you would on an Android phone, and there you go. You can access all the settings. So if you swipe, you'll see what options you have here. So you got calculator at the top. I'm now connected to my phone, so any phone calls I get on this phone will immediately ring on here now. And I got my own SIM card in there as well, so there's 2 ways of using this. So you can dial out. It's really easy to dial. You can see it's really, the touch screen is great. So when you make a phone call, for example, it will ask you, do you want to do a local call? You have the option to call out from your mobile phone, which you've connected via Bluetooth, or the local SIM. So that's a neat feature. So that's definitely a handy feature. So if I just come out of this, you've got all your missed calls, dialed, received. You've got your contacts here, which give away my contacts. Okay, you've got a full calendar there, and over here you've got a QR code. This QR code is for Android devices, so you QR scan this code, download the app onto your Android, and it will connect for you and give you much more options. So here's more things you can do. If I go to the top, you can access your music. So the music on this phone will play if I press play on my watch. So the songs you play can play on your watch. This is my watch. This is the watch playing the music, by the way. You can skip tracks, pause it, or go into playlists. It's alright, it's quite good. See, for example, there's a camera here as well. It's got a front-facing camera of about 1.2 megapixels, and you can take pictures. Here's if I exit the camera. So if you wanted to record a conversation taking place, you press record. So now this will make an audio conversation. So it's quite like a spy tool, you know. You can just you can walk around freely, and this conversation now that you're having will record. But again, I haven't put a MicroSD card in, so you can't record much until you put one MicroSD card in. So let's press play on that. See how it sounds. So now this will make an audio conversation. So it's quite like a spy tool, you know. You can just you can walk around freely, and this so that could be a very useful tool for all you James Bond fans out there, if you want to record conversations and stuff. Now this is photos. So memory card removed, use phone. I said yes, and it's got nothing in there because we haven't taken anything. You got settings, then you got please insert memory card again. You can take videos. This on the right, if you click that, you can change it from silent, outdoor. If you don't want this watch to make a lot of noise and you're at work, you can put it on silent and you can make it vibrate. Next screen. Looking for phone. This will find your phone. Once you've connected to your phone, you click this and it will search for your phone and alert you where it is in case you lose your phone. Here's a stopwatch and step counter, and you got an FM radio, but you need to plug in some earphones. I'm not sure where you're going to plug in earphones because there is no earphone jack on this device. So you got some sleep monitoring, and you got some file manager there, and you got a sedentary monitor there to remind you to get busy if you're just sitting there. Browser. So the browser feature won't work unless you've got 3G minutes on your SIM card. I don't have any minutes on my SIM card at the moment. This SIM card is basically a dummy SIM. It's just for testing stuff out. So there's no minutes on there. Otherwise, yeah, you've got web browser working. You've got an alarm here, which is handy. You've got an inbox here for your text messages, so you can change your background with this app. You can change your backgrounds and stuff like that. You've got Twitter here. Again, connection failed because I haven't got any 3G minutes in there, and this is changing your time zone and stuff. So that's that, and I think that's everything. Yeah, everything you can do on the phone. You have okay. So I just showed you what it would sound like if someone rings you. Alright guys, so that was the SW16 Bluetooth smartwatch by Whirlpool. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.